Conservation of biodiversity is essential because biodiversity maintains balance in nature or balance in the ecosystem. Wildlife, animals, and plants provide a variety of commodities. Wildlife is needed for breeding programs in agriculture, horticulture, sericulture, apiculture, etc. We human beings are a part of nature, and all the components of nature are independent. Any damage to its biodiversity will threaten the whole support system and will be a threat to human existence itself. Therefore, biodiversity needs to be conserved. Flora and fauna. The plant found typically in a particular area forms the flora of that area. That term fauna represents the wildlife found in a particular place or particular geographical region. For example, trees of jamun, mango, guava, pine, cher, oak, deodar, bamboo form the flora of Himachal. Trees of dhaks, salai, jamun, arjan and beer forms the fauna. Tiger, leopard, antelope, sambar, chikara, nilgai, porcupine, hyena and wild bear present the fauna of Rajasthan. Endemic species. Some species of the plants and animals are found exclusively in a particular area. कुछ species होती हैं तरीके के species, मतलब plants की species तरीके के plants होते हैं जो एक area में पाए जाते हैं and do not occur naturally anywhere else. Such species are called endemic species. इन species को कहते हैं endemic species और ये state country या फिर किसी geographical regions में ही पाए जाते हैं. Lion मतलब बब्बर शेर इज एंडेमिक एंड ये सिर्फ गिर फॉरेस्ट में मिलता है गुजरात में. ठीक है. हिमालयन वीजल एंडेमिक है और ये हिमालयन रीजन में मिलता है. स्नो लेपर्ड एंडेमिक है, ये हिमालयन रीजन में मिलता है कश्मीर और सिक्किम में बस. वाइल्ड मैंगो एंड साल्ट्री फॉर एंडेमिक फ्लोरा, ये सिर्फ आपको मिलते हैं पचमरी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व. ठीक है. द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ एंडेमिक स्पीशीज इज ऑफन threatened due to the introduction of exotic species from other geographic area. Okay, as such, the conservation of biodiversity is essentially implies conservation of forests, conservation of wildlife, conservation of forests. Forest conservation can be achieved when the habitats of wild animals are conserved. The methods of forest conservation are prevention of cutting trees. Cutting of trees for agricultural purpose result in the loss of habitats of plants and animals. Replanting the trees in the forest is very important part of the conservation. In order to conserve forest, the prevention of cutting down the trees is essential. मतलब हमें पेड़ नहीं काटने चाहिए और कोई काट रहा है तो उसे रोकना भी चाहिए ताकि, और इससे जब हम पेड़ काटते हैं तो फॉरेस्ट बिल्कुल खाली हो जाता है, इसलिए हमें वहाँ पे प्लांट्स भी लगाने चाहिए और सबको रोकना चाहिए कि और ना काटें. Excessive grazing. The increasing population of domestic animals has led to the overgrazing, which must be controlled to save forest. Poisoning of diversity. Avoiding disposal of waste from cities, agriculture fields and industries into forests. Habitat destruction takes place by large-scale man-made alteration such as mining, construction of dams, industries, etc. It should be minimized. A forest fire have destroyed many forests. Care should be taken to prevent forest fires, which is very destructive, by making fire lines in forests at regular intervals and gaps. Campfire should not be left smoldered. Cause of deforestation. Deforestation is clearly of the forest for using the land for the other purpose. The causes of deforestation are man-made cause of deforestation. Human beings are cutting trees for procuring land for cultivation of crops, vegetables, fruits and for building houses and factories, roads and etc. Clearing land for mines, cutting trees for making furniture and for obtaining firewood. नेचुरल कॉज ऑफ डिफॉरेस्टेशन क्या होता है? फॉरेस्ट में आग लग जाना, सूखा पड़ जाना, फ्लड, अर्थक्वेक और या फिर लैंडस्लाइड से फॉरेस्ट ख़राब हो जाना, या फिर पेस्ट और वायरल और फंगल डिजीज जो प्लांट्स में लग जाती है उससे पूरा फॉरेस्ट ख़राब हो जाता है। कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज ऑफ डिफॉरेस्टेशन, डिफॉरेस्टेशन से होता क्या है? डिफॉरेस्टेशन एज एन एडवर्स इफेक्ट ऑन द बायोडाइवर्सिटी नीड टू बी चेक्ड इमीडिएटली। Let us read on to know what happens as a result of deforestation. We already know that the plants and animals depend on each other. एक दूसरे पर डिपेंड करता है प्लांट। नंबर ऑफ स्पीशीज ऑफ बर्ड्स एंड अदर एनिमल्स लिव इन द फॉरेस्ट। इट इज़ देयर हैबिटेट होता है उनका, मतलब घर। दे डिपेंड ऑन ईच अदर फॉर फूड एंड अदर थिंग्स। डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट हैव affected the food chain and destroyed the habitats of many living organisms. Animals like lions and tigers have become much reduced in number and became because the forests in which they live have been destroyed. Remember, this is not the only reason for the reduction of number of these animals. Another reason is their hunting by humans. The level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere on account of deforestation. You know that the plants need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Reduced numbers of trees require lesser carbon dioxide, so the level of the gas has gone up in the atmosphere, resulting global warming. अब प्लांट्स जो है वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेते थे, पर अब प्लांट्स ही नहीं है तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड किसी ने नहीं ली, जिससे क्या हुआ, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ज़्यादा हो गई, इसलिए उससे बन गई ग्लोबल वार्मिंग। ओके, deforestation leads to the increase in temperature and pollution level on the earth. This disturbs the water cycle and reduces rainfall. The outcome is the drought. Deforestation results in soil erosion. You have already learned in class 7th that trees prevent soil erosion. Roots of the trees bind the soil particles together, preventing them from blowing away by winds or water. Soil erosion removes the top layer of the soil that contains the fertile humus. Removal of the top layer thus makes the soil less fertile, and the lower layer of soil contains less humus. If it goes on, the fertile land gets covered into the desert. The process of the conservation of fertile land into the desert is called desertification. As a result of deforestation, groundwater level also gets lowered. The capacity of the soil to hold water is reduced. जब ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल कम हो जाता है तो सॉइल ज़्यादा पानी नहीं पकड़ पाती है. द मूवमेंट ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम द सॉइल टू द सरफेस इनटू द ग्राउंड स्लोज डाउन. सरफेस तक पानी पहुंचने में बहुत टाइम लग जाता है, स्लो डाउन हो जाता है वो प्रोसेस. इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ ट्रीज एंड देयर रूट सिस्टम, water is not able to seep into the soil. As a result, in the rainy season, water just flows over the soil, bringing about floods. इसका मतलब ये है, जब वहाँ पे पेड़ पौधों की रूट्स ही नहीं है तो पानी से ज़मीन के अंदर नहीं घुसता है, ऊपर ही ऊपर तैरता है, जिससे बहुत सारा पानी इकट्ठा हो जाता है और फ्लड हो जाता है, जैसे ये रहा. The above mentioned consequences of deforestation affect the population of organisms found in that area and the types of crops grown there. Conservation of forest is required to assure our regular supply of forest product along with maintaining ecological balance. This can be achieved by adopting the following ways. Forest resources should be used rationally, economically and measurably. Alternative sources of fuel wood should be explored. Biogas is a good alternative to fuel wood. Prevent overgrazing. Grazing by cattle should be regulated. Protection from fire, pest and diseases. Forests should be protected by fire by putting the fire resistant of smokers, campers for burning debris, and from pests and diseases by spraying pesticides and fungicides. Felling of trees should be made punishable activity. पेड़ काटना punishable activity होना चाहिए. Government of India has put complete restriction on cutting trees. सही बात है. Afforestation. Replanting trees in forest area is called afforestation. Central and state government has taken up several afforestation programs to restore the forest cover and forest health. General awareness. It is necessary to create general awareness in the people for forest conservation through different media and mass movement. Recycling of paper. As a step to reduce deforestation, paper is made from the pupil of the tree. It takes 17 fully grown trees to make 1 ton of paper. The consumption of paper has grown manifold over the years. Used papers can be recycled 5 to 7 times, thus saving many trees. We should not waste paper. If each one of us save 1 or 2 sheets of paper every day, we can save many trees from destruction over a period of 1 year. Paper can be recycled 5 times to 7 times and reused. Thus, we can save trees as well as the energy and water used in paper manufacturing. Wildlife conservation. Wildlife basically refers to organisms living in their habitat like tiger, elephants in dense forests, crocodile and alligators in natural water bodies, and trees, shrubs and jungles. बाकी नेक्स्ट में